If you want to add the IDM extension in Google Chrome, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Once the extension is installed, IDM can help you manage downloads more efficiently right from your browser. So if this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Now let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This will open Chrome's main settings menu. From there, hover over extensions. A small menu will appear, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store, which is the safest place to install browser extensions. In the search bar at the top of the store, type IDM and press enter. After the results load, look for the extension called IDM, Download Manager Extension. Make sure you select the correct one so you install the right extension. Once you find it, click on the extension listing to open its details page. On that page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will then ask for confirmation and show you a pop-up asking for permission. To finish the setup, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will download and install the IDM extension automatically. Once the installation is complete, you should see the extension added to your browser and you can start using it with your downloads. If you don't see it right away, you can always check the extensions area in Chrome to make sure it's enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added the IDM extension in Google Chrome. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.